Well, hello and welcome back to Shane's Hobby Shop. Today we got a sticker board update to do. Alright, each and every one of these stickers that you'll see come across the screen here will have a YouTube channel, and I have the links in the description below. Go ahead and go check out the YouTube, click on that subscribe button. I'm pretty sure they'll be much appreciative of it, and tell them Shane sent you. Alright, so let's get busy with this sticker board update. Alright, there you go. Sticker board update. Alright, finally got this thing updated. Alright, if you like to get your sticker up on this board, the very last one was my actual address. Go ahead and send me a sticker there to that address, and I will send you one in return. And hopefully we can get you up on this board before it actually gets filled up. Alright, well, my name's Shane. This is Shane's Hobby Shop. We'll see you next time.